How to reset Instagram algorithm. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application. So the first thing that you want to do is to unfollow all the people or accounts that you followed so that you won't be able to have their notifications here. As you can see here, unfollowing. So let's say you don't want to have an information or post, or you don't want to see updates on Nike. So all you have to do is to unfollow that, unfollow Instagram, basically unfollow all the people that you don't want to have an information on. Now, the next thing that you want to do here is to go here to your search bar on the bottom part. You will see five different options, right? Click on the search icon here and tap on the search bar here. And basically, you have to delete all your search history. So tap on here, clear all. And then the next thing that you want to do is proceed here to your home page. And let's say, for example, here as you can see there's a suggested for you. So let's say you don't want to see this type of content. So for example, these quotes here, you don't want to have that. Then all you have to do is to tap on X, and basically Instagram will try its best to manage your content that they will give you, and they won't be giving you quotes like that again. The other way is to basically reset your application, reset your search bar here. For example, here you want to have a content about crochet here, then basically you have to follow crochet accounts, and of course heart on that, basically interact with the contents like this, or the specific contents that you want Instagram to give you the algorithm on. And basically that is it. That is how you reset Instagram algorithm, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.